Capacity planning is an essential practice in agile project management that helps teams allocate resources effectively based on team members' availability and skill sets. Azure DevOps provides tools to manage and visualize team capacity to ensure that projects are completed within set timelines and resource constraints. Access Azure DevOps. Log into Azure DevOps. Navigate to dev.azure.com and log in with your credentials. Go to Boards. From the left-hand menu, click Boards. Select Team and Sprint. Choose a project. Select the project where you want to perform capacity planning. Select Team. Choose the specific team responsible for the tasks and sprint planning. Select Sprint. Select the sprint for which you want to plan capacity. View Team Capacity. Navigate to Capacity View. In Boards, click Capacity to view the team's workload for the selected sprint. Review Resource Load. The capacity view shows the total hours available for each team member versus the hours allocated to work items in the sprint. Adjust capacity. Update team members' workload. Add or remove tasks as needed to reflect team member capacity, considering factors like part-time work or non-working days. Balance workload. Review and balance the workload across team members to avoid overloading individuals. Use work item assignments. Assign work items. Assign tasks or user stories to team members to reflect their capacity. Adjust estimates. Ensure that the time estimates match the available capacity for each sprint. Monitor and optimize. Monitor progress. Track sprint progress to ensure that the team capacity is aligned with the workload. Optimize capacity. Continuously adjust capacity planning based on team feedback, velocity, and project changes.